My name is Shalee Carlson. I'm originally from Meridian, Idaho. I'm a master's student at Brigham Young University in the Microbiology and Molecular Biology program. And I currently study mastitis, a disease of mammary gland tissue, and the bacteria Staph aureus, which causes that disease. So I study the disease mastitis, which is an inflammation of breast tissue, and it causes hardening of that tissue, and it's a very painful disease. Which is common in nursing mothers and in the dairy industry. In the dairy industry, it causes a huge financial loss. So we're trying to understand how that disease progresses. And one of the bacteria that commonly causes it is Staph aureus. Because the mammary gland is such a unique environment in the body, we're interested in understanding how the bacteria can survive in order to cause mastitis. And so one of the biggest factors for bacterial survival is iron. Without iron, the bacteria can't grow. We're trying to figure out which genes are essential for iron uptake. And to determine that, we've used isogenic mutants of different genes involved with siderophore production. Siderophores are molecules the bacteria can produce and send out to collect and scavenge iron from the environment. So targeting these genes, we've been able to test the mutants in milk systems and in low iron systems and determine which genes are essential for the bacterial growth. We've also been working on a T-and-seq model to help collaborate with this data and help us find new genes that are involved in iron acquisition in milk as well. I would say if you're even thinking about attending the MMBIO program here at BYU, you should definitely go for it. It's been a wonderful experience, and I think you'll always regret not knowing what could have happened. They have a great program that will really help launch you into a career you're looking for, or even to other further education opportunities. So one thing that really helped me when I first came to BYU was doing rotations through different labs. I had actually done my undergrad at a different school, and so when I came here I didn't know any of the research or any of the professors, but doing these rotations really helped me to get a feel for what was going on in each of the labs and which lab would be the best fit for me and for my future goals. So if you're not sure where to start, I would really suggest doing a couple rotations and get a feel for what you're looking for in a lab. My experience at BYU has been great. I've really learned a lot. I feel like I've learned how to think critically and to problem solve. I've obviously learned a lot of research skills, but beyond that, I've learned how to think on my own and to really take a project from the beginning all the way through. I think that's in large part due to my professors, and they've been wonderful in coaching me and working with me one-on-one, and that's how all the faculty is here at BYU. They really care about the students, and because we have such a small program here, I think that they're able to give us more of that time. So it's been wonderful to work with them here.